Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate quinoa crisps. First, let's prepare our quinoa. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa very thoroughly under cold water. This crucial step helps remove saponins, which can cause a bitter taste. Next, toast the rinsed quinoa in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's golden brown and smells nutty, with a slight popping sound. Now let's create the rich chocolate coating. Gently melt 8 ounces of your preferred chocolate using a double boiler method to prevent burning. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This adds a lovely sheen and helps the crisps set nicely. Finally, carefully fold the toasted quinoa into the melted chocolate mixture, ensuring every grain is completely coated for maximum flavor. With our chocolate quinoa mixture ready, it's time to form the crisps. Using a spoon, drop small, even clusters onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Aim for pieces about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Once all your crisps are formed, place the baking sheet into the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm and ready to enjoy. Your delicious chocolate quinoa crisps are now ready. For optimal freshness, store them in an airtight container. They will stay perfectly fresh at room temperature for up to 1 week, making them a convenient treat. These delightful, crunchy crisps are a wonderful, healthier alternative for a snack or a light dessert. Enjoy every satisfying bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.